Today we're making roast chicken with sauerkraut and potatoes. This dinner will be delicious, so be sure to try it. You'll find the exact ingredients in the video description. New viewers, as always, please subscribe to my channel. First, fry a medium-sized onion, diced in a pan until it starts to brown. Then add sauerkraut. I didn't rinse it as I like it tangy, but if you're concerned, you can gently rinse it. Add 3/4 cup water and simmer for 10 minutes uncovered. Then add 2 teaspoons of tomato paste, mix and remove from heat. Transfer to a casserole dish, arrange chicken legs, and season with your favorite spices. I use salt, pepper, and sweet paprika. It's best to marinate the meat a day ahead, but if you're short on time, at least an hour before, lightly oil the meat and potatoes. For this portion, I used 3 medium potatoes cut into smaller pieces. Place everything in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake uncovered for about an hour or until the meat is tender. Enjoy your meal.